Well, today I'm going to be fletching my own arrows.
You are.
But I've only ever seen them do it. I've never really done it myself. So this is why RJ's here with me, just in case I have any questions.
I'll be helping. I'll be assisting, I should say. But I'll be in the background working because we're getting ready to go on another hunt here soon.
Yeah. So we're pretty excited about that. And I'm going to do hot pink veins this time.
Yes, and you're going to do a 4-fletch, which you haven't done before.
No.
Which would be super cool.
Yeah. But he'll probably be in this a lot because I don't quite know what I'm doing, but I know.
Don't worry.
That makes sense. I know, but I don't know. So let's get right into it then.
All right. What's first?
Okay, I think you clean the arrow.
Correct.
Yeah, that's what I thought. We're gonna put some rubbing alcohol on this emery cloth pad.
Get nice and wet in there. Alcohol dries pretty quick.
Okay.
You want to be sure you get all of that finger
really
grease.
Wet.
That is.
Damn.
It'll dry out quick. After that, we'll go ahead and clean them off. Wipe them off, I mean. And the reason you're doing this is so you can get all that finger grease off of it. Make sure there's none of that nasty stuff on there that would really ruin your adhesion to the arrow.
What do you think?
I think you're good. Give it a good little wipe down. And then we're just gonna set it up for a second. Let it
air dry.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Set that there.
And we do that with all of them.
Yep, we're making a dozen arrows today. Of the Easton 5mm Axis.
These are the ones I've been shooting. It's just we've been hunting, so we need to make more arrows, which is always good.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
You keep breaking them. I mean, jeez.
Keep breaking them.
You're getting expensive on me. But you got this part, so I'm gonna go get busy on other things.
Okay, I'll call you if I need you. Alrighty. Well, we cleaned all 12 dozen. That's not 12 dozen. All 12 of my arrows. So
they look pretty clean, I'd say.
I think the next step is what? Getting
next
this.
Step. Yep. We got a little Fletch pen here.
And this is what?
This is the zing.
Okay.
It's gonna get your end of your fletching right here. Right. Your vein all ready to go.
Okay. And I'm doing 4 fletchings for each arrow, so that's 4 times
12.
12.
Math. You got it.
I was gonna say 48, RJ.
See, I knew you had it.
Okay, anywho'sin. So we gotta get 28 of these primed and ready.
Yes. All you're gonna do is run that down the vein, and then we'll set them to the side and just make sure they don't get all nasty, dirty again.
Alrighty. This is the last fletching. We just did 40. Well, I just did 48. Just saying. RJ didn't help once.
You're done? It takes long enough.
Yeah. But now is the fun part, right? Ooh.
This is the fun part.
Is where we grab an arrow.
Yes.
Correct? And then we start fletching it. And are we doing a left or a right helical for me?
It's not going to matter for you.
It's not going to matter. No. Cool.
For the distances that we're shooting, we're not going to see really much of a difference.
Cool.
So we try not to shoot farther than 40 yards realistically.
40-ish.
What we'll do is we're going to take a fletching. We're going to just put it into here and line it up with, we usually do the bottom or the second to the bottom.
Okay.
Which one would you rather?
It don't matter, whichever one you think.
We're going to do the second to the bottom.
Okay.
And before applying your glue or anything else,
I want to make sure it's going to lay flat.
Come in here, you put it in. You're going to make sure it lays flat. What the key is here, make sure it's flat on that magnet. Make sure the entire vein is sitting on the arrow.
Don't want any bumps or anything.
Nope. Because if you've done a different arrow, a different diameter, whatever it might be of your previous arrows, then.
I heard that.
I'll be back.
Okay, so next thing, we made sure this was gonna lay flat on our arrow. We're gonna take this, take a bead, and follow it all the way along there.
Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Oh no. Uh-oh. You're good.
Okay. Oh man. You do a little.
Just a dab.
Boop.
Just try to flatten out the glue.
And I think it did.
It did. Flatten out pretty nice. Okay, let's see it. Don't mess it up now, Aubrey.
Okay, now if this part gets messed up, I'm so sorry. Put it on the this thing.
Yep, put it on the magnet first.
Okay, it's on the magnet.
Let it sit down onto the magnet.
Huh?
Let it sit down onto the magnet.
Okay, it is.
Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it.
Okay.
Make sure it's against the base plate down here,
Mm-hmm.
and you're just gonna push from bottom to top while keeping it against that base plate. And then we're gonna let that sit for until we realistically get the next arrow done. And then we're gonna get going on the next fletching. And then the next. And then the next.
What do you mean the next arrow? Oh, we're gonna start in that one.
Yep,
Gotcha.
we got another bits and burger here just to kind of get rolling on that. Oh.
Doot. This is the first arrow we started with. RJ!
Yeah?
Wanna come see my fletching job? Ready? I'm scared.
Hey,
I don't know.
see it. How good
They're
did
not
you
gonna
actually
be
do?
perfect. Nothing's ever gonna be perfect.
What? No. Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh, I do like that pink. I'm gonna be honest.
Very pretty.
That pink looks really nice on
It
there.
actually really does.
I might
Oh, you want pink?
just go ahead and take these arrows actually.
Do you think there's like a little bit of a theme going on? You tried taking the spy point
What?
cameras from me.
No.
Now you're trying to take my arrows.
I don't know what you're talking about. You just have good taste, I guess.
Look at that.
Just like your husband, I guess.
Yeah, totally. So, no, I think it's me who has good taste.
That's what I'm saying.
Me,
is you have
myself.
great taste.
Me, myself.
Especially in people.
Flashback to the fart.
Arrows done. I'll be back.
You married him.
I'm so proud.
I'm about to make the track.
There's a bunch of bushes.
sweating. I didn't do
Thank
that.
you. So this is my first time ever fletching my own arrows, and
Good job.
I can think it's safe to say that I will be up here more often whenever I do need to.
So you're gonna fletch your own arrows
I
now?
will. This
From
is
here on
actually
out?
really fun. It's very therapeutic. It's super easy.
Dad, did you hear that? She's fletching her own arrows from here on out.
So
We're set.
there you go. There you have it. There you be.
I knew I married the right girl.
Well, I hope you enjoyed.
Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go check out our social pages at RJ and Aubrey, all that fun jazz. Mm-hmm. And we hope to see you guys soon.
Deuces.
I took one of those.
You took one of those. You took a
mid-shoot.
huge one.
Yeah, it was actually,
Disgusting.
it's pretty rough, I'm gonna be
It
honest.
stinks.